guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on the 94 F1 Camaro. He put a new bumper cover on the front, and we just put the ground effects on. We're letting the tape dry up. So we're going to put a polyurethane transmission mount in it. This car has some traction issues. I don't think this is going to help, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay, so here's the transmission mount. It's energy suspension, and the part numbers looks like it's 3.1142R. Okay, so we got a 15-inch bolt here in the center. We got a little jack underneath the transmission to keep it from dropping on us. And we got two more 15s right here. We got two more 15s on the other side. Oh, I thought I had them loose now. But... Two more 15s here you got to take off.
Oh, smaller.
Smaller?
Yep.
Be 13. Off tight or something on her.
Good. The right one goes towards the back end.
Okay.
Did you bring the new bolt?
It's just you got to reuse the old bolts.
Okay.
So apparently this here edge got to be facing backwards. There we go. And I'll let you snug that side up before I tighten this side.
I wonder if that goes in the middle.
Yeah.
You want to start that first? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta put hold of that. There, I do now. Okay, that should be good enough. Get these here on started. We're struggling a little bit because we didn't really put the car high enough, but we'll get her. Let me start yours. Let me do mine a little bit first. I'm going to back this one out because I believe it's starting to cross through. Anyway guys, fairly simple job. We made it look harder than it is because we didn't get the car up high enough. There. She looks good. Anyway, that's it guys. Okay guys, so here's the old transmission mount, and you can see that it was in bad shape. It's starting to come apart. It'll be later in the summer. We'll get a quarter mile run out of it, see if it helped traction any. Like I say, I don't think it will, but we'll give her a try. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.